Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day, of course. I think 6-7 point move, right? Uh, yeah, 6-7 point move. And I just want to show you guys how easy today was, and if you waited for these past 2 days, from Tuesday, Wednesday, and now Thursday, you waited these 2 days, not including today, but and how it would have paid off, right? So yesterday, you noticed how we were tapering down on this purple, right? Of course, not gonna be the best entries, right? But if you managed the great risk reward yesterday, could have had a couple decent entries, right? But not like with continuation structure, right? And then we were just building the liquidity. Um, and there was two scenarios, right? We could have either dropped from here, right? Or we could have reclaimed 5 day and kept pushing up, right? So that was the two scenarios that we were looking for today. Unfortunately, we rejected 5 day right here, right? See this head, and then this right shoulder right here, and give us this good trade right here. Um, three points from here, but you could have also entered on the head. Um, at the rejection of 5 day, total would be 6 to 7 points, right? And if you kept runners to at least a 20-day moving average, right? Because we once a month or twice a month we do test 20-day moving average, and we were so this was a sign that we were gonna test 20-day moving average, right? Um, so yeah, let me show you guys intraday as well. Like the head I'm showing you guys right here, right? This was the head, right? Entry perfect right here, right? And then right here as well, right? At the break of yellow. This is the 5 minute, right? And then I'm gonna show you this in the 1 minute as well, right? The head, perfect entry at this head and shoulder pattern right here, right? Then on this right shoulder right here, all the way down, right? Then we obviously have to build that liquidity here, um, off of yellow that you see on the 30 minute, right? This yellow that you see on the 30 minute, which is the right shoulder, right? So basically this is the right shoulder in the 1 minute, compared to the 30, right? And then see how nicely we built this head and shoulder, and entry was possible right here as well, and then all the way down. And then you have to notice this purple algo. This was the controlled selling algo, right? So you could have managed some runners, all the way here, right? I wasn't I actually didn't trade this, but you could have gotten an entry somewhere around like right here, right? um, and then there was microstructure here as well, right? All the way down, right? You could have managed your trade within this blue algo. It wasn't strong selling because you notice we are testing the 20-day, right? So we did bounce off 20-day here at the end of the day. So we have to see what happens tomorrow. You should look for cups to close at 554.80, 555 level, right? And then see what happens, because the bounce from 20-day, it usually correlates to the test of the upper Bollinger always. So if we ever do bounce off the 20-day, which we did, well, we have to see for tomorrow for confirmation, right? We will always test the upper Bollinger, so 565 level, right? So wait for the confirmation tomorrow for cups to close tomorrow, right? We possibly are gonna break up and test this upper Bollinger right here, right? 565 level, right? Don't go longs fully yet, right? We still pretty in the uncertain. So tomorrow, see where we open. Close the first cup at 555 level, then the second cup at either 557 or that 559 level, right? So see what happens. 5 day should move down to this 557 level right here. So we are gonna have some sort of um, retest of 5 day, right? Right here, right? So see what happens, and then that's gonna give us the confirmation that we are gonna head back up to the upper Bollinger 565 level, right? Because that's what periodically happens after the 20-day retest. And if we bounce up, we're always going to test the upper Bollinger, right? But if we are headed down, wait for the market to build that liquidity that you need, right? Like I showed you guys the tapering algos, right? Um, we just need to build more liquidity off of right here, right? So the possible play right here is right here, and then right here, right? We're gonna form the head on this off of the orange tapering, right? And then this purple tapering is also gonna be our risk to reward. So try to get a good entry right here, right? And then the risk to reward would be this purple. So we could have a long way down, like a 2-point move, 2 to 3-point move tomorrow. If we are headed down, the market gives us the proper setups, right? But if we are headed up, it can be a good way up as well. Bounce off this 20-day right here, right? Close this cup at 555 level right here, right? Then close this big cup right here, right? But yeah, look out for that. So I hope you guys were patient these past 2 days, especially the Tuesday. The Tuesday was much harder than Wednesday, right? Because Tuesday we were just in this, between all of this, right? So yeah, be patient, guys. It pays to be patient. Today is a multiple 5-figure day. And yeah, so you guys have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.